Hey, let me show you a few tips what you can do if the Google voice typing is not working on your Xiaomi 17T Pro. So the first thing that we have to do, just open the settings. You will start from this, go to the additional settings, open languages and input, make sure that a current keyboard is selected for Gboard, go to the manage keyboards, and here very important thing, go for the Google voice typing. And the first important thing is the fact that if you are not connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, then this Google voice typing is not working. So to let it work when you are offline, you have to download the language pack. So for me, I already did it, but if you don't, just click here and download your language pack to let it work properly. And you should also enable updates with mobile data and the Wi-Fi in the case that you are only connected with Wi-Fi. When the new update will be released, then over the mobile data it will be not downloaded. Select your default language here, and right now we have to go for a Gboard and also check if the voice typing is enabled over here. And now go here, click on this icon, grant all necessary permissions, and now we can just start testing this. If this is not working for some reason, you can simply restart your smartphone by using the power button. Often this simple reboot fixes the problem with the voice typing, but if the problem still appears, you have to also try these two things. You will have to start by opening that about phone and check if there is no new update available. If it is, definitely try to download it. Next, what you can also do, if the problem still appears, go for the Google Play Store, go for the search, and try to download the latest Gboard application. Oh, sorry for my misclicks, but as you can see, for me there's a new update, so I have to update this manually, and these updates often solve a lot of problems. But if it is not working, or if it is not update available, you can try to uninstall Gboard and then install it one more time. And the last thing that you can try to do is to simply open applications screen. Right here, search for a Gboard. If it is not here for some reason, go for show all apps and now input Gboard phrase. And make sure that this got access for a network, mobile data, Wi-Fi, and the background data, but also for permissions, like of course the microphone. And this is all my tips. Let me know if it works.